ITM has been very proactive in bringing the latest technology developments and implementing them into our infrastructure for a progressive and adaptable learning environment. We are equipped in AI, ML, data science, AR/VR, and blockchain to provide you the hands-on experience and valuable industry insights. From day one, you will be part of an ever-changing environment with full of challenges and opportunities for advancement. By the time you finish with us, you won't be just another job applicant. You will be a well-rounded professional with skills and attitude to fit into a technology environment. We enroll into projects and collaborate with industry leaders to let the students experience the work environment and tech harmony. ITM offers the tools and expertise you need to succeed in technology. Your journey to success starts right here.